Let's prepare a small cash budget through a case analysis in this session. You have this information: cash in hand 2,50,000, cash sales for the month is 65 lakh, wages is 23,75,000, cash purchase is 27,45,000, interest receivable is 1,75,000, advance tax, let's assume it as advance tax paid 45,000. You have to prepare the cash budget and ascertain expected closing balance. So you are given what is the cash in hand position. So this is your opening balance, and you are given what are all the possible receipts. The receipts can come from cash sales, it can come from interest. So these two are the possible receipts, and you are also given information about the possible payments, which are basically the wages, cash purchases and advance tax. Okay, so it's a simple concept, but it is a very powerful tool. It helps in cash flow forecasting, and by doing all this calculation, you will be able to arrive at what will be the closing balance for the period for which you are preparing the cash budget. So cash budget, basically it will have opening balance. We will add receipts from various sources. We will deduct the payments for multiple uses. Then we will arrive at the closing balance. So let's get started. This is the opening balance. We'll write opening cash balance 2,50,000. Next, we have to capture the receipts. These are all the possible receipts. So let's put that receipts, cash sales, interest receivable, so much. Next, we have to capture all the payments. These are all the payments. So let's deduct the payments: cash purchase, wages, advance tax, and total works out to 51,65,000. So opening cash balance added by receipts makes the total cash generation so much, but of that 51,65,000 will go for various payments. It means at the end of the period, the closing cash balance is going to be healthy at 17,60,000 because we started with only 2,50,000. The receipts are so strong, they are much higher than the payments, so they are able to close the cash position at 17,60,000. And here we go, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1-year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.